How to create a Minecraft skin on PC. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Minecraft skin on PC. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once on your internet browser, you're going to search for the search bar and then type in minecraftskin.com. Hit enter once you're done typing. This one over here, minecraftskins.com, the Skindex. Tap on the first link that appears on the searches. Once the website finishes loading, you will see an assortment of skins that can be used over at Minecraft. In here, we are going to use the search bar. I will search for, what's a good one? Spider-Man. I'm a big fan of Spider-Man. Then I'll just hit enter. And then, when I scroll down, I will see an assortment of Spider-Man skins available for Minecraft PC. Now, just choose the one that you like. If you find one of your liking, just click on it. If not, you can also go back to the search bar and look for another version. In this case, I'm a big fan of Iron Man as well. His stepdaddy. Let's use that one. Then, click on the ones that you like. Wait for the website to finish loading once again. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you in the next video.